Craving crispy, flavorful orange chicken without the excess oil? This air fryer recipe delivers the perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory flavors, quick, easy, and healthier than takeout. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it run for 5 minutes. Place the chicken breast in a bowl, then sprinkle them with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and toss to combine. Add the cornstarch and toss to coat it in the cornstarch. Place the chicken breast in the air fryer basket and coat it with olive oil spray. Cook the chicken breast for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn the chicken breast over and cook it for 5 minutes until it's golden brown. And for the orange sauce, place the orange zest, orange juice, brown sugar substitute, maple syrup, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, garlic, ginger, and onion powder in a small pot and stir to combine. Place the orange sauce over medium-high heat and let it come to a boil. Cook the orange sauce for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring periodically until the sauce reduces. Whisk the cornstarch and water together until combined. Whisk the cornstarch and water into the orange sauce and cook it for 1 minute until it thickens. Remove the orange sauce from the heat and place it in a large bowl. Add the chicken breast and toss it to coat it in the orange sauce. Place the orange chicken onto a serving platter and serve it with rice. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try this delicious recipe. The recipe link is in the description.